in love with Biscuit. Wagner, are you in love with Biscuit? Did you get her digits? Did you get her digits? Huh? Hey, Buster. Hi, Buster. Hi, hi. Lulu's got a ball. Blue, you got one in your mouth already. You gonna fit another one in? Oh, look at Daisy May. Get it, Pepper. You got one or two balls in your mouth. I can't tell. What do you got, Sammy Manta? You got balls? Hi, Regan. Hi, Regan. What do you think, Nellie? Nellie's like, I don't know. There's so much activity. Ooh, go get her, Nellie. Go get her now. Go get her now. Yeah. Bye, Roscoe. Hi, Dodger. Go get him, Dodger. Wow. Hi, Buddy Brown. You're so introspective, buddy. You're not an athlete. You're an intellectual, buddy. It's okay. Yeah. Yeah? Are you upset because nobody's coming to try to get your ball from you, Java? Huh? Good job, Maggie. Yeah? All right. What are you doing over there? Yeah. Oh, Annabelle got it. I can't keep up with y'all. Look at now, Buster, honey. You can't hump a big giant dog named Floyd. You just can't do it. You know, he's like 4 times bigger than you, buddy. All right. Good job, Daisy May.